Okay, so hello guys, so today we are going to be trying to solve this issue. You see, when you're trying to open up your emulator, it tells you install HAXM, which is just short form for Intel Hardware Acceleration Execution Manager. So what you want to do is just set the, depending on your RAM size you just set. I know for most of you, you have already tried this and it still doesn't show. So what you're just gonna do, you can see on my end, it just says it is installed successfully. So you're just gonna click on finish. You can see it is still going to do the same thing. So this is what we are gonna do. We are going to click on start and click on control panel. Let's click on it. Then we're gonna come here and search for turn Windows features on or off, and you're gonna click on this. And once it has loaded, you're gonna come here to Hyper-V. So once you click on Hyper-V, you're gonna just click on it and make sure both of them are selected. So once both of them are selected, you're just gonna click OK. But if that's not possible, what you're gonna do is you're gonna make sure that you have virtualization turned on your machine, which you'll have to go to the BIOS setup and go to advanced and click on virtualization and make sure that it is turned on. So for those people who just restarted their machines and turned virtualization on, you want to go back to control panel and you're gonna search for turn Windows features on or off and make sure this one is selected. I'm gonna click OK. So once this is complete, it usually takes some time, but I've fast forwarded it. This error is gonna tell you to restart, then this error will be fixed. Restart now. Power on Android Studio again. So once it's powered on, you're gonna make sure that everything is now working well. Device manager, just gonna try and power it on and see if it works. As you can see, it is stating launching emulator to click to see all running background tasks. Now when you click on close this and click on, you can see that the emulator is working well and your app is just gonna open with no issues. You can see my application Hello World. So that's how you fix it. If this tutorial helped you, make sure you like and you can share it with a friend and comment. And if you still have issues, comment them down below and I'll be sure to help you and assist you. That's it for today. See you in the next video.
Perfect.